Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to almost very bottom to find additional settings. Then date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are unfortunately not active. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And right now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. The same situation with the time, just by swiping. And as you can see, it will be immediately set on the status bar. We can also select the time zone, pick the region, so we will be transferred to the list of available ones, of course. So find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one, for example. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. You can decide whether you want to use the location to set the time zone. I don't want to. Here we've got the time format, which is right now based on the system language. However, you can also manually decide which one you'd like to use. Right now we've got the 24-hour format. We can also use 12-hour format just by tapping on it. Here you can also decide whether you want to use the dual clock. In my case, it is turned on, which simply means that I have the clock with the time from the place I'm currently in, and then I can set the second clock with the time from totally another place in the world of your choice, of my choice. So up to you if you want to use it or not. Alright, so basically this is the whole customization. Of course, you can go back to all automatic settings, just tap on those switchers here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.